Alright, welcome back to Fast RC and welcome back to another edition of RC Weekly. We've got a lot to cover today, guys, especially in the current sales section, so stick around. But let's go ahead and get started with Axial. So they're re-releasing the SCX24 1971 Chevrolet C10 model with some big swamper tires on it. This thing is really slick looking. Looks like it's available for pre-order right now on Horizon Hobbies website for $149.99. I gotta tell you guys a little personal note. Getting FOMO seeing this model being released because I literally, like a long time ago, like, I don't know, 15 years ago, I used to own a Chevy C10 72 with the exact same orange and white color scheme, like to a T. 72 long bed, and I'm really missing that truck right now. Anyways, nice to see this new release from Axial. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments and we'll go ahead and get to the next update. All right, and next up from Xray, looks like they're going to be releasing a new GTXE race car, 1/8 scale, coming soon. So it's like a teaser photo that we found. Don't have the details on this guy yet, but once we do, I'll make sure you guys know about it. And so we'll go ahead and get to the next update. All right, and next up from Castle Creations, getting a new ESC. This one's the Cobra 6 for your large scale RCs. Can handle anything from 2S to 8S. As far as features, it looks like it's pretty comparable to the other Cobra ESCs. Got the 32-bit digital core processor. Dual core processors in them. It's got bit mapping, all the cool extra fancy features that Castle usually comes with. Price on this guy coming in at $239.95 for just the ESC. Available for pre-order now on Amain Hobbies. All right, next one here real quick from Rlaarlo. Looks like they're releasing their first ever unassembled race buggy kit. This one's going to be the DSK 1/8 buggy 4x4. Just looking at some of the pictures, looks like a really nice kit. A lot of aluminum parts on it. I'm not sure of the exact price on this guy yet, but I'm sure it's going to be a pretty good value for what it is. So that's it for Rlaarlo. Let's go ahead and get to the next update. And next up from Jconcepts, we got some new bodies we need to talk about. So I gotta tell you something, Jconcepts, they've been putting out some really cool stuff this last week, and I'm definitely gonna be keeping an eye on them because it sounds like they're working on some new clipless bodies for like a lot of different models out there. And so definitely going to keep an eye on them to see what they come out with. So let's start off first. They announced the Jconcept Chevy S10 body for your monster trucks. So like the Reactor and I think the LMT, pretty nice looking S10. And then they also announced the APC X crawler body. So it's for like your 2.3 inch wheelbase crawlers. Pretty cool. And then, another one here, the Arma Mojave Grom is now getting a clipless body from Jconcepts. It's the F2 SET body. And the last one here, this is the big one. So for the Traxxas Rustler, there's now a clipless body from Jconcepts, and it's kind of looks kind of similar to like the stock Rustler body, but it has like more of a racing fin on it. I guess like a shark fin. But I don't know about the looks of the body. I think it looks okay. It's not really my taste. I think the actual stock Rustler body looks better. But the big deal about this body is it utilizes the stock clipless mounts from the Traxxas Rustler. And that's, to my knowledge, the first time we've actually seen an aftermarket body use the stock clipless system for any Traxxas model. The only other thing that I could think of that is like kind of like comparable is on Proline. I don't think it's not Sector, but one of their bodies or short course bodies uses like the stock Arma Fury body mounts with like a new style body from Proline. Otherwise though, for Traxxas, I don't think there's anything else out there that utilizes the stock body mounts. So when I saw this one, I was like, wow, that's actually a really big deal. And then along with the announcement of that body, they basically, in one of their posts on Facebook, basically said that they're working on a lot of bodies with clipless body mounts that utilize stock clipless body mounts. So all that to say, really excited to see what Jconcept comes out with. This is a big deal to somebody like me with bashers. I always like choices of different bodies and adding, changing up your current models that you have. But since going to clipless for a lot of these models, the aftermarket body support really has kind of gone away for the most part. I mean, it's still around, but it's not as robust as it used to be, or at least that's how it appears to me. Well, let me know what you think down in the comments. Nonetheless, I think this is a really big deal. And so we'll have to see what else they come out with. And so before we go on to get to the next subject, just want to give a quick shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you guys always sticking around with me each week. And so that's going to actually be it for the updates. Let's go ahead and get to the sales. All right, let's say some cash. So we finally got some new sales this week to talk about. And so let's just go ahead and get started with Traxxas. So the TRX4 Nissan Pathfinders are now on sale from Traxxas. And you could also find these at Amain Hobbies. They're $50 off. So that is officially the lowest price we've ever seen on this model. Now, you know, obviously these haven't been out for that long, so hasn't really been that much time for them to be on sale anyways. But we can go take a look at the price tracker dashboard right here. We can see the price is updated, and this is in fact the lowest price we have ever seen on this model. But like I said, it was actually released earlier this year in January, so it's only been on the market like 4 months. But lowest price at $500. But not just that, at the Traxxas website, if you buy this model, you get $50 off and you get a free battery and charger with it. So if you want to pick up an extra battery charger, I would guess most people probably don't need the chargers, but if you do need one, this is a great way to pick up a Pathfinder and get a battery and charger. So a little extra value there. So not too bad. And then let's just go ahead and finish off the rest of the Traxxas sales real quick. So the curious thing is this Pathfinder sale is not on this for sale section in Traxxas website yet. I'm sure it'll probably pop up there eventually. But for now, we'll run through these real quick. They got Traxxas Mini / 4x4 sale still going. I actually have no idea when this will end. But what we do know is this is the lowest price on Mini Slashes since they've been released, down to $220, or if you pair them together, buy two, get them both for $400. Traxxas Mini Rally is $40 off with a free set of tires, $50 value. Price of the Rally coming in at $490. And then they still have the 8S Power Pack savings, 6S, and the 4S Power Packs if you're interested. Basically what it does, add a completer pack when you buy any of these models, get that completer pack half off. All right, so that does it for Traxxas. Wanted to zip through those, been talking about those for weeks. Next up, Red Cat. Okay, so Red Cat, ever since I've been tracking this for now over a year, Red Cat's gone on sale maybe 2 or 3 times. They don't really go on sale very often, so when they do, it's kind of a big deal. So there's a few models here on sale. So the big ones here, the Red Cat Gen 8 V2 Scout, $259.99. This is the one I'm gonna highlight. So I think it's already back ordered on Amain. This guy, look at the graph, is absolute rock bottom lowest price, at least for my data set from the last year. $260. Pretty good deal. That's a killer deal for this model. You can see the price history here where it was $330 back in March, $360, $380. It's kind of just always stayed there until today at $260. And like I said, I think it's back ordered, but if you pick it up off the Red Cat website, it's not too bad if you can get it. So great deal there. The rest of these two are also really good deals. So the Red Cat Gen 9, $299, that I would venture to say it's probably the lowest price we've ever seen. Actually, let's just not guess. Let's just go ahead and double check. Gen 9. Yep, sure enough, that is the lowest price at $300. You can see it did drop here, which was probably Black Friday, down to $340. So $300 is like the absolute like rock bottom price for this guy. Not bad. Let's see what else we can find. We got the Ascent. Ooh, the Ascent 18. That's probably, I'll have to check that one. This Ridge Runner. Oh, you know what? Here, let's do this instead. Take a look at the sales page. So I did bring this up. Let's go look at Red Cat. You guys are going to kind of follow me around the dashboard here for a minute. Okay, so the Red Cat Danchi Ridge Runner is like almost 50% off at $99. So pretty good deal there. I would venture that's probably the lowest price we've ever seen. The Gen 8 International Scout we just talked about at $260, crazy low price, 31.5% off. These next three, 25% off. So the Ascent 18s, pretty good deal, down to $119.99, so $120. And then the Gen 9 Scouts also 25% off, pretty good deal there. And then the Ascent LCG RTRs are 14% off, roughly down to $289 and $299. So not too bad there. Pretty good sales from Red Cat. If you want to pick these up, I believe these are going on till May 8th. So we got a little bit of time, a couple weeks. All right, next up, let's talk about Team Associated. I got the spring cleaning sale. So more BOGOs to talk about from Team Associated. So first up, we got the Datsun 240Z RTR. Buy the Datsun, get the Nissan Z with it for free. Go ahead and click on this guy, see what the base price. So $299. I would imagine, I think these are probably the Apex chassis. Let's take a look real quick. Yeah, it looks like the Apex chassis. I've heard mixed, so like I'm not just gonna hype everything up for you guys. Like, I've read that these Apex kits come with they come with bushings and not ball bearings. I'm not quite sure about these, but I know someone commented on the videos, and then I remember watching something else, a difference between like the Hoon RTR, like the Hoonicorn RTR versus like the Apex 2, and one of the big differences was the Apex 2 has bushings versus the Hoonicorn has like ball bearings, which is kind of a big deal, especially when you're running these at high speed. So just be aware of that. Otherwise, the bodies on these are really nice, really cool looking kits, but they might not have bushings in them. Anyways, $2.99, buy one get one. And then same thing down here, the Enduro Comp Fox kit is on sale. I think this guy is $3.99 for this. Is actually a pretty nice kit. Carbon fiber rails, actually nice. So if you get that, you get the, speaking of the there's the Hoonicorns, this Cattleman kit free, which I'm not sure how much this guy, it's probably like $2.99 be my guess. So pretty good savings there, actually, not too bad. And then we got the A550 rally cars and the ST550 RTR on-road cards. This is, I believe, $2.99. Yep, so you get $2.99 and then get the other car with that free. Pretty good deal. Man, that's kind of killer, actually. Let's see. What is this? Is this an Apex 2 also? I'm not super familiar with these guys. I'm still learning about that. It looks like an Apex 2, basically. Yeah, it's in the title. Excuse me. It's Apex 2. I'm over here not reading. Typical. Speaking of Hoonicorns and Hoona trucks, those are still on sale. These are the factory team kits. They come with all the aluminum upgrades and stuff. $2.99 for the first kit. Get the second kit free. Pretty nice deal there. They still got, it looks like they still got them in stock. The RTR version of the Hoonicorn, if you want to pick up the 1/10 scale RTR, you can get the 14 scale for free. Now, info on this one, the RTR 1/10 scale should have ball bearings from what I saw, but the 1/14 scale I think does not. It's got bushings, brass bushings. Same thing with the Hoona truck. Ball bearings for the 10 scale, bushings for the 14 scale. But still pretty big savings if you want to pick those up. And then free portal axles. So if you pick up a Bushido, get some free portal axles. That goes for the white and the green. Pretty good deal. What's the Bushido go for on this site? $3.99. Wow, it's kind of expensive. That's actually pretty expensive. Actually, hold on. I'm kind of curious now, these Bushidos. Like, I've been following them for a little while. Trying hard not to use a curse word. Okay, Bushidos. Yeah, they looks like they do go on sale periodically down to $350, but they, wow, $470. Oh, this is the one with the battery though. Hold on. Took the next one. Yeah, they're usually $400. Okay, and then they go on sale for $300, $365, $260 is like the absolute rock bottom price on those guys. Interesting. Yeah, so free portal axles. This might not be the best deal, honestly, which is the whole point of this channel, guys. The whole point of the dashboard is to kind of just be able to show you guys, like, when there is a sale, like what is good and what is not. This one, I would say, I mean, the Bushido is at full price, basically. Right here, we could see $400 is full price. And so whatever the price of those axles are, I'm not sure how much those are normally going for. Maybe they're $100 or less. And that's kind of where the savings comes from. Interesting. So next one, Trail Walker Black. Digging into this guy real quick. This one's $349. Not too bad. And then you get free portal axles. It's a little bit cheaper. So keep on rolling. Making good headway. Got the Enduro Ecto TT. I remember seeing when this one got released a while back. This is a pretty nice truck. Got that scratch and dent body, which is cool. Add some patina. And then last things up here, last couple models, we got the RC8 B4-R.1, the $629.99. Let's just go ahead and check that one real quick. While we're here, this is the factory team kit, so no electronics on this guy. But let's go ahead and take a look at the price. History, $670. What is it on here? So $630. So $40. Wait, is that the same? Buggy kit. Interesting. Okay, yeah, I guess that's it. So yeah, $40 savings on that guy. And we got the Unicorn. So the 1/7 SR7 roller Unicorn for $299. We do know that actually is the rock bottom price on that guy. If you just punch in SR7, and we will see here's the SR7, $300, absolutely rock bottom price. Still a good deal on that one. If you're interested in getting the bigger version of the Unicorn car, not bad. Not a bad deal there. And then the almost ready to run, same thing. This one has no ESC, so but you do get a motor, I think. So for $325, not too bad. And so that's pretty much gonna do it for the sales. A lot of stuff we had to cover, a lot of new sales, a lot of like going back and forth in the dashboard. Hope you guys enjoy that kind of stuff. I love getting into the data and looking at price history and seeing just what deals are good and what are not, what aren't, you know, if that makes any sense. Anyways, that's it for the sales. Let's go ahead and get scratching in. Right, welcome to what used to be my favorite section, Scratch and Dent. So let's talk about a couple models on here for Amain Hobbies. So first one here, this Armaquake Grom has been on the list. It was on the list since last week. It's still $152.99, but right over here, it is coupon code eligible. So if you want to knock $15 off of it, you can do that. Get it down to $137.99. Got the code down in the description if you want to use it for Amain Hobbies. And then let's go back. The other one that I want to talk about with you guys real quick is this Arma Infraction. So this guy is also, this is a new one on the list for this week. This is one of the brand new Infraction 223S, the red and black version. Really, it looks like Iron Man. $416.99. That's not bad. And on top of it, you can use a $30 coupon code and get that thing down to one. Actually, take that back. Wait. Oh, I used the wrong code. Hold on. So if you put in APR and hold on, let's step this up. It's APR. I think it's 3026. 3026. Okay, so APR 30. This code's also down in the description too. You can knock off $30 from this guy down to $386.99. Not too bad, especially, you know, Scratch and Dent. So you get the discount, Scratch and Dent, and the $30 off, down to $386.99. So kind of a treat for you guys that hang around with me till the very end, which is only like, it's only like 20% of you. So I appreciate you if you made it all the way to the end. So yeah, pretty good deal there. That's a new one on the list for this week. Otherwise, they do got an Arma Sentin, still full price though, and there's an Arma Mojave 6S full price pretty much. That's pretty much gonna do it for that. And then Tower Hobbies, honestly guys, it's all the same stuff. Furies, and then you got the one Axial Coyote down here, and then you got Arma Limitless. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I hope you guys got something out of this episode. Sorry we went on so long about the current sales, but just kind of digging in. I like digging into them, digging into the price data. So I hope you guys got something out of it. Anyways, I guess that's it. We'll see you on the next episode. Take care, guys.